So on this contact, we are going to set the history. So we have related tab, details tab here. If we go to the setup, so here under the object manager, let's try to find the contact object. Under the contact object, fields and relationship, then click on the set history tracking, enable contact history, and now you can choose the fields which you want to track. So there will be old values and new values that will be displayed, and who actually edited that, at what time it was edited, and all such information you can retrieve from the contact history object. Now let's try to save this. So there will be a save button at the below of the page. Now if we go back to the contact object and let's refresh it. So as you can see, there is no related list here, and it's not automatically displayed under the related tab. You can see the campaign history, but there's nothing like contact history here. So on the details, tab, let's try to change the name, as we were tracking name as well. So let's try to change the first name. So if we go to the object manager under the page layout, let's first see under the page layout assignment which pages are actually assigned to my profile. So in the later videos, we are going to talk how you can actually check your profile. So under the page layout, we have this related list. Click on that. You can see the contact history. Drag and drop down and save it. So if we refresh the page, now as you can see, the contact history related list is displayed here. Now let's click on the view all, and you can see the original value and the new value, the user which actually modified it.